On today's menu, an incredible Japanese Hojicha Iced Tea. This is Hojicha, or roasted green tea leaves. Really aromatic. We're gonna make an amazing Hojicha iced tea. Tea leaves, cane sugar, hot water. Give it a stir and let it steep for 3 to 5 minutes. I was actually gifted this tea from a friend in Japan. Might be a little dangerous. I'd have to fly to Japan just to get this. Ice. Just pour in your amazing tea. Milk. This tea smells absolutely incredible. An incredibly flavorful and comforting drink you can't say no to.